Hey there everybody, what's going on? It's your boy George, aka Agent 86, and today I'm going to be installing this here POE or Power over Ethernet module. I'm going to be doing this here on this Byte4. It goes to specs, a little blurry, but you can see it's a 464. First thing we're going to want to do is open the box up. All right, inside the box, there's some literature there, a little comment card, and here goes the actual unit. So, turning it, we see we got 4 USBs there. We got a serial HDMI port, POE, and LAN port. On the bottom, we have 4 screws, and we're going to go ahead and remove those 4 screws so that we can get inside this unit and install the POE module. Alright, so after I unscrew it, just give it a quick bang, open it up, and let's take a look inside. So over here, on the right, we have the number 1 and number 2 RAM slot, and we have a screw here and a screw under this SATA cable. So if you just pop that off, you'll see the second screw that is going to hold down the POE module. Let's go ahead and remove both of these right now so that we can slip this in. There's one, and there's the other. Dropped one in there, so a quick shake. There we go. There's the POE module, and this is only going to go one way in the unit. So, you know, if you put it in wrong, it's not going to work, obviously. And it's only going to fit one way anyways. Alright, so what you do is just kind of line it up, and you can use the holes to line it up, and just make sure that all the pins go in. Press everything down nice and snug, and you can see it's lined up to the holes. Next thing will be to screw everything down, and we'll just give it a test and see if it's going to work. Now, I would be putting a SATA hard drive in this thing if I was setting it up for myself, but since this is for someone else who has their own SATA, we're going to let them hook it up and just send it like this. Also, for this to work, you are going to need a switch that is POE compatible, and I'm going to go ahead and plug that in here to the POE, and you can see right away we got power. So the POE module is definitely working. After everything is sealed up, well, that's pretty much it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, make sure that you comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.